Welcome to KDC Sound. Today we're going to be testing the new SLMM-1, the Super Loudmouth Modulator. That's designed to work on so many Galaxy chassis, the 979, 969, 949, and many more, as well as the Connex 3400, 3600. The description of this module is it's so simple to do that you do not have to be a technician to do it. And that's what we're going to show you today. The instructions are complete with picture layouts and step by step, just 4 wires. Count them, just 4 wires. There they are on the little module. Just 4-wire hookup, 2 white wires, a brown and a yellow wire. And we're going to be doing that in just a moment. Let me first show you the instruction sheet that comes with it. It comes with step 1, 2, 3, right down the line for what you need to connect and in the order you need to do it to make it so simple. Alright, today we're going to be testing this Super Loudmouth Modulator -1 on the Connex 3600 HP. This is one of those beautiful radios that have all the different colored lights in them. We're going to just see how well the Super Modulator works on this rig. First, let's look at the meter and give it a test and see what we got. Alright, we're going to be using the power scanner. We're on the 1000-watt scale. This is the Connex 3600 high power, so it's got the 100-watt chassis in this one. We got it in low power right now. And we're going to be using a SEPCO audio generator so we can keep the constant tone for the audio so that we see no variance in the amount of audio being put into the unit. We got the radio down on low power. We're going to key it up and let's see what we got. On the 1000-watt scale, we're running about 5 watts, it looks like. And you can see on this scale here that we have the 1000-watt on the top scale, so we're about halfway between the 10 and 0, about 5 watts. We're going to put the audio generator on it, and it's showing about, I'm going to say, about 12 to 13 watts. Now we're going to turn the power wide open on the radio, and we're going to drive the audio signal into it again, and right now it's showing, let's say, 65. And swinging about 135. Alright, we're going to install the Super Loudmouth Modulator and let's just see what effect takes place. Alright, let's begin with step 1. Step 1 says solder the white wires to point marked 1 and 2. Now we have the drawing over here and it shows us exactly where to go. There's the screw with the little arch around it, and up in the front of the radio here there's the spot for the meter cut out. So we shouldn't have any trouble finding it on a chassis. Let's go to our chassis, and here's a meter, and there's the screw with the little printed circuit going around it. So the points looks like they're going to be right there and right there, exactly as they're marked on the paperwork for step 1. So let's solder those into place. Alright, step 1 is completed. We've got those 2 white wires soldered into place right there. Alright, step 2. Let's see what it has to say. Step 2 says to solder the yellow wire to the point marked 3. Well, we see back here on the drawing that there's the PL connector on the back of the radio, so we're in the back of the radio. There's a modulation regulator, and the point they're marking to is right here. So let's come back to our chassis. Let's see if we can find that point on our chassis. Here is the back of the radio, and over here is a modulation regulator. And the point they're pointing to is right here. So let's solder the yellow wire there. Alright, we've got the yellow wire soldered to the point indicated on the drawing. And let's go to the final step. And the final step says to solder the brown wire to the point marked 4. Alright, let's come back to our drawing one more time. There's the PL connector, and the point marked 4 will be very easy to locate. Coming back to our chassis here, and we can see that the point that's indicated is right here. So let's solder our brown wire right there. Alright, we got the module in place. Let's give it a test run and let's see how it's going to work. Done nothing else but install the Super Loudmouth Modulator. And now we got the radio back on low power. Didn't change the key at all on the low power. Now we're going to drive it with the SEPCO audio generator. Whoa! About 125 watts of swing power. That definitely is a great boost. Let's go to high power. Dead key, about the same. Let's drive it with the generator. Yeah, well now we're doing about 155 to 160 watts of power. I can definitely say that the super loudmouth modulator from KDC Sound is an A+ working machine.